Hey, what's up everybody? Your favorite chef is here. You're watching Clamsy Cook channel. Today we are making peanut butter cookies, so stay tuned and let's go on making that goddamn recipe. So let's start first with taking bowl, and then you're gonna crack the egg, and then you're gonna take mixer or whisk, and you're gonna whisk that together, or you're gonna whisk that egg, and then you're gonna add 7 tablespoons of sugar, white one and brown one. You're gonna combine that together, and then you're gonna add butter, 8 tablespoons of butter, and then you're gonna add 8 tablespoons of peanut butter. Take your mixer, and then you're gonna combine everything together until you get silky mass. You will probably need about 5 to 8 minutes to make that, or until there is no any scrambles or any bubbles, till everything is good. Okay, you make that. Now next step is take another bowl, take half cup of flour. Any flour is good, so you can't make wrong with that. Even it's take half cup of flour, take 1 tablespoon of salt, take 1 tablespoon of baking powder, whisk that together, and then transport to that first mixture that you make, and then you're gonna take mixer, whisk that together. And in the meantime, you're gonna turn on the oven for about 200 degrees or 400 Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes, or until it's lightly gold color. Okay, we are making peanut butter balls. For that, I wasn't measure any balls, but you're probably gonna get 10 to 12 balls. I don't know the right measure or right portion of these balls. When they are done, let it to cool down for 10 minutes for a better taste, and wait it don't. And now enjoy these beautiful moments of second B-roll. And that's all guys. Thanks for watching. I hope that was useful. I hope guys that you will like, share, subscribe, and see you in the next video. If I missed something, tell me in comment section below, and see you in the next video. That's all.